Hello. Hi Nuke. Hi L. Thank you so much for the resub. 6 month in a row. Yeah, 6 months in a row. Welcome back to be a QD agent L. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Let me turn on some new music. Okay, now we got some music. Oh, welcome back. Welcome back to being a QD agent. And congrats on being first. You now shall reside on the top of on top of chat until the end of stream. You are superior. You're the first. Oh, you're doing well. Let me grab some. Today, we are working on some projects. It's been a while since I worked on projects, so I want to get back into it. Alright, Nuke, you're having a good one. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah. So the project I want to work on today is to continue on working on the camera system. A good stream, thank you. I want to work on the camera system that is for VR chat, and yeah, I want to just keep working on it, making it more complete so that people like Kyo can use it. Kyo is already using part of it, but not with all the upgrades I've done. So the last thing I worked on this camera system was to add a pathing system. Let's just double check what we have and what's working. Music is a little bit loud for me. There we go. So I made a camera system. So let's enable that. And then I can change the system to path, enable the path system. Path start, stay. Path stay. So you got 2 points. And then the modifier, we can move it to. And then have the camera move between the 2 points. Modified by the modifier. We can have back and forth, we can have a constant loop. Then also move the modifier up here. So the camera is doing a nice curve. Okay, so all of this seems to be working well. What about circle mode? Circle mode, let's see, speed. So you got a camera turning around at a certain point. Oh. That is an odd animation. I did not expect that. I wonder what's happening. So I can place the system down. And the circle system, I can edit the height. The direction, can invert it. Change the radius. Or the speed. But I'm confused by this behavior. Why is it stopping? Is it influenced by this? No, I don't think so. Huh. Let's take a look. Because that's not supposed to happen. So let's look into the animator. and to the layers. Camera circle, rotate. I feel like this is what's I think this animation curve is what's causing it. Rotation should be a straight line. Like this. And same thing for rotate invert. Camera, rotate invert. Yeah, this should be a straight line. Not like some S kind of S curve. Okay, let's test again. So enable this camera system, circle speed. There we go. Now we have a smooth spinning. I think it's smooth. Is it smooth? Yeah, it looks smooth. It should work in both directions. Whatever the radius. Okay. Nice. So we got this working. Something I want to uniform circular motion is. Now another thing I want to add into this is combine it with VRC lens, which is another asset, which is a pretty cool asset. Costs some money, but it's a good one. Let me try to find VRC lens. Because that one is a much better camera system. And ideally, I could attach that camera into this padding system that I created. And that would be pretty good. Okay, now we have that system, and I need to save the project just in case I mess it up. Camera system, open Git. Git is what I use to create, like, I call it checkpoints, kinda. It's not quite checkpoints, it's a command. So let's add everything now. Let's make a save. Fix circle, smooth animation. And now whatever I do here, I can revert back to that point. It's like a time machine for projects, kind of. I'm going to need a avatar manager. Do we have that? Or and it is now imported. Now I have a tool to merge stuff. So what I need to do is disconnect all of this. Or actually I can just keep it. I can keep, make a clone, the second version. Turn off this, camera with the VRC lens, and then on this one, disconnect everything. Disconnect it. And then I am going to add VRC lens into this. So VRC lens, add it here. Drag this avatar here. Right hand. This is fun. This is fun. Drone control. Focus grid. So I don't want white default. Nothing here. And apply. So basically all the default stuff. And just with that, now my avatar, this avatar, has a new animator with all the VRC lens stuff. Also all the parameters. Oh wow, they just used one. And a menu. Now what I need to do is add another submenu to this. Path. Let's call it cutie path. Will be a submenu, and then I'll add my own menu stuff in it. Where is it? Cutie cube. Here. Now we have both systems in the same menu. And really for the let's see. Here. For the parameters, let's lock this. I want to copy the one I have. So all of this is so many of them. Would be easier to copy the other way, I think. Okay, let's unlock. Let's duplicate this. Let's move it over. VRC lens plus cutie path parameter. Jesu, hello. How you doing? Welcome back. Being a cutie agent for 8 months. Thank you. Hope you're doing well. Let me get some water. How are you doing, Jesse? Alright, so to this I need to add one thing, which is an int. And then let's go back to this one. Copy this, not saved. Okay. Not saved. Doing good. Glad to hear that. I am also doing good. Just working on some projects. Today I'm working on the camera pathing project. Now, next thing I need to do is to merge the animators. Avatar manager. Avatar effects. What's that? Let me show you quickly after I merge. Animator merge. Camera effects. Oh wow. this thing changed a little bit. Merge on current. And now everything is merged. Yep, okay. So with the camera system, it's mostly made for filming things. Let me show you. So imagine you're in VR chat, right? And then you turn on the camera system. Hopefully this works. I don't know if this works. I don't know if it's working. Maybe. Upper visible. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so imagine you're in VR chat and you don't have a camera, like a cameraman, but you want to film stuff. So I built a system. Let's start with a simple one. That is a circle. And let me turn on camera model. Looking at 0. So you got a camera that you want it to spin around you, for example. So you change the radius of how far away the camera is, how high the camera is, so that you can have it body level, right? And you can have it spin. So you have this object that starts spinning around you, and you replace that with a camera. You can change how fast it goes, or how slow. You can change the direction, how big or small the circle is, how high the circle is. So that's the circle system. Yes, spin. The other system is using path. So the way path works is you set 2 points, like start and an end point, right? Oops. And once that's set up, you set a travel speed, and the camera will travel between the 2 points at all times. And with that, what you can do is modify how, like, so you can have a camera that goes back and forth between 2 points. You can also modify the points using a third point to make it a curve. So now the camera is going like in a nice curve. You can make it go faster or slower. Instead of going back and forth, you can also make it loop. So it just like jumps over. And you can have the camera look at different points. So it's a system that basically automates the cameraman work in VR chat. Hi Wolfie! You have arrived. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing good. So with this system, you don't need a camera person. You can just, let's say I want the camera that goes up and down, right? I can set the second point. Stay here. So now the camera, the modifier is in a weird position. Let me move that. So you can have the modifier here and have it back and forth. So now you have a camera that goes up and down, and you don't need a camera person to hold like a VRC camera. You can do all of this yourself. A lot of this was made with like Q in mind, where she would want to record herself filming like shorts or TikToks, for example, in VR chat. So I made this system so she doesn't need a second person to set up the camera every time. And this movement is always perfect, while a person holding the camera is not always moving perfect. Yeah, think of it like a selfie stick, but it can do fancy things like going back and forth or going in circles. That's what I'm building. And I think some of the anchors here. I'm not sure if it's connected correctly. Camera. Look at. Oh, it is connected correctly. Okay. Cute. It's mostly useful for filming stuff. And now what I want to do is merge that with another camera system that I have. So VRC lens is another camera system that is pretty popular. Big brain stuff. Building this maybe a little bit. So now we got a nice camera here. And I want to be able to use that with this pathing system. There's so many options in this. Good. Camera gets bigger, smaller. That was a zoom. I was playing with the zoom. Yeah, that was a zoom. But my goal is not to play with how the camera works. I just want to be able to attach the camera to stuff. So I need to look into how this is tracked. Yeah, I can zoom. Animator. Camera mode. There's a bunch of options here. How is it controlling all of that base? Oh, so that's how they do it. Eat the slimy cookie? Giving the slimy cookie. Yes, infinite cookies. You can give more. More pats? Okay. Pat. Pat for a slam. Pat. That's so cute. Well, if you like it, I can pat more. Or you can give more cookies. I built this program. It looks like this. There's like an entire menu and stuff. To make a custom overlay. Okay, so I see how some of the things are set up. What do we need this layer? I need to know how the camera is attached. Cam screen world A, C. Cam pickup, always. Rotation, okay. Yes, I did. I streamed all of it. I streamed myself coding the overlay, so that now we have this line that you can give cookies to. Eventually, I want to add more stuff, but for now, it's just giving cookies and giving pats. Ah, no worries. It's also the system that gives like the leaderboard on top of chat. So right now you're MVP, Jesu, because you're the one that used the most channel points today. So because of that, you are MVP. And screen. Oh. Wow. Yay. Jesse, thank you so much for gifting Wolfie a sub. Welcome to being a cutie agent. MVP, yes, you're MVP, Jesse. And you will be MVP as long as no one else spends more channel points than you. Jesus. What is this emote? Jesus Resito. Nice. That is a sus emote. Alright, so let's see. How do I attach this camera into my camera system? Basically, I want to attach it to this camera. Look at camera pickup. Camera object. Drone. Maybe I can hijack the drone. Drone control. Hydrate. Alrighty. Thank you for your hydration break. Let me drink some water. I have hydrated myself. Thank you, thank you. Good to see you back, Jason. It's been a while since I saw you around here. Current constraint, drone control. The camera model. You don't have to. Oh, there's nothing to be sorry about. Just happy to see you. So this is the screen. Where's the camera? Camera screen. Screen override. Camera. Yeah. We're all happy to see you back with us. Let me try activating the camera. I want to find this camera. Display copy. Lens. Aha. Okay, so this is the camera. Rotation constraint. Lens rotation. Focus pickup. View pickup. This thing is flashing. What is this? Sensor copy. Lens rotation target. So this is just the different rotation targets. Cam object. Okay, so this is the one that needs to be overridden. Cam base. Drone base. You going to make dinner? Alright, sounds good. Thank you for the work. I appreciate it. Aim constraint. Rotation constraint. Drone. No, thank you. Thank you for subbing by. I have a feeling camera object or camera base pickup. So this is the one that goes into the shoulder or the hand or base. Oh, okay. Because if it goes to the head, this parent constraint is the one that controls and puts it on the shoulder, on the head, or on the pickup. Right arm, pickup A. Dynamic VR. Yeah, that's the one in the hand. It's on the head. And this is nowhere. So I think this is where I want to add another one. Maybe. I can just take the entire cam pickup and attach this to my pathing system. Where is this attached to? Right now, it's attached to Dynamic Desktop, which is here. I guess instead of that, I could keep it that way and then add a toggle to move this one. Scale constraint. Oh, this is so it scales with the entire avatar. Okay. And this is a forward, head forward. So I could probably add a thing here. Current constraint. Or this one, I could add a parent constraint. And then this can be attached to the camera itself. Here. Would that work? Or do I want to do position? Yeah, so you can go between 0 and here. And this is the thing I will animate. So let's try this. Let's add another layer. Your C lens override. Put it to on. Add a new parameter. Boolean is fine. Your C lens QD override. Let me copy that name to the layer. Stay consistent. Then let's add that to the parameters. Here. Add a boolean. Here's landscape override. By default off. That's good. And then in the menu, VRC lens menu. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. Let's do it in my old menu. And settings. Is there a spot for it? Yeah. Override VRC lens. That's going to be a toggle. I need to attach the updated parameters. Settings. So I have override. And then let's make a new folder for it. VRC lens override. Now let's add 2 new animation. VRC lens key override on and off. Both will be looping. And then let's add both of them in here. We rename this one. There we go. Put out the one. Both of them would have one. Right default, off will be the default one. And then transitioning between the two states will be no exit time, instant transition using the override parameter. So this direction is false and this direction is true. Now we want to add this here. Scroll all the way down. It's a long scroll. We're getting there eventually. Eventually. Right, there we go. VRC lens, QD override on. Record. Go into this thing. Set this to 1. And then scroll all the way down again for the off one, and then set it to 0. Scroll. Almost there. TM end. Here we are. Override off. Record. Slide this to 0. And done. By default, it should be there. Now, let's test. Will it work? Maybe. Who knows? Right, click on the avatar. Turn on the lens. VRC lens system. Okay, that's fine. Now go back. Turn on the pathing system. Let's set up like the circle or something. Let's have the circle go. Now that we have the circle go, override. Does it work? It seems to work. I think that works. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it works. Let me settings, hide the camera model. Yeah, I think that works. I did the circle. Oh, there's no light in here. Um, let's add a light just for this test, like directional light. It's kind of dark, so I'll just leave it out there. Okay, instead of circle mode, let's go into path mode. Got on. Move the avatar, start and stay, travel speed non-zero. And for the setting, let's have it look at the avatar. Maybe 2. And then I can move the avatar back. I think it works. It looks dark here. I don't know why. But I think that works. Let's go into VRC lens. Aperture. Settings. Picture style. Default. Filter. Aperture. Sensor type. Increase, decrease. I don't know what's increasing. Sensor type. Oh. Okay. Display. I remember there's something somewhere about the exposure, but I don't see it. It's not picture style. This doesn't seem to do anything. Change the sensor type. I don't know what that does. Focus. Filters. Spotlight. I don't know, but I think it works. If I click on the camera itself, which is here, I think. Yeah, we can see this is a camera that's being used. I think I need to, let's see, there should be a thing to turn off the cam model, advanced exposure. Auto exposure, white balance, no. Extra. 3 mode swap. Extra tight lens. Now it's invisible, but I think it's doing what it needs to do. Like if I click on the camera itself, which is camera lens. Oh no, maybe it's off. Okay. Focus, selfie, advanced settings. You're going to lurk, Wolfie. Thank you for the lurk. There's some missing buttons, I don't know why. But this seems to work. Well, only one way to know is to test this in actual VRC. VRC Facebook. Okay, let me edit that. Facebook. VRC lands here. So it needs those two. What are those? Float, 2 floats. Add a float. Whoop. And another one. And this is a brand new avatar. Detach. Filters. Let's put this into a VR chat, and then we'll see where I go with that. Water time. Oh, that was quick. I don't think I'll test right now. Or should I? No, I won't test right now. It's too much trouble to set up VR stuff. And I'm not in VR. Okay, I'll test it another day. But I have the system set up, and in theory, it should work. Should work. Not sure if it actually works, but it should. Okay, so that's that for this project. There are more things I want to do in different projects. So let me turn on another project. The teleporter project. Let's turn it on. The teleporter project is an avatar asset I'm building for placing teleportation portals, and other people can teleport by sitting into it. And there are a few things I need to do to make it ready to be released publicly. It's really close. So let's work towards that. So the teleporter is super simple. Just a simple system with some bottles in it. I don't need this anymore. I haven't made my own shader, so I'm not using anyone's shader. What do I need? Oh yeah, for the menu, I need 2 icons. Alright, let's draw some icons like this. Photoshop. Let's make some simple icons. How big are VRC icons? Let's see the other project. Alright, I guess icons used in menu icons. 256 by 256. Okay. Let's do 256 by 256. And then I just need to, I guess what icons do I need? I need one to place portal A and one to place portal B. So something with the letter A and letter B. Let's sketch something first. A little bit big. Big brush. So something with like the letter in the corner, a portal, and then an arrow, but maybe because I need it to signify place. So like maybe something like this, or maybe without the circle, just arrow portal, place portal A. Or without the portal, just place A. Maybe it's better. Yeah, something like place A kind of thing. Okay. That should be simple. So let's change the background to all black. Let's well, maybe not black, like some kind of gray. And then let's start with white. Let's type in the letter A. Hi, the scale. How's it going? Cap lock on. Not tickle. Not Comic Sans. Calibri? Maybe. Squares. Don't need anything too fancy. Something easy to read. Yeah, I think I'll go with Calibri. It's simple. It's easy. It's also too big. Let's see. Let's put this there for now. And let's draw the arrow. Oops. Did it actually type an entire lorem ipsum? That's so funny. I guess if I want it to be more icon, I should use shapes rather than draw, right? Rectangle and a triangle. Fill white, stroke, nothing. Then we can move it. Align it to the center. That doesn't look aligned to the center. Okay, I think this is aligned to the center. And let's add a triangle. Triangle tool. Now the triangle is upside down, so that's fine. I'll just flip it. Something like this. And that I need to make like outlines and stuff. Let's start with the letter A. Color type. Is there a quick way of making outlines in Photoshop, or do I need to do it manually? I guess I have to do it manually. Well, that's simple enough. Just need to select pixels, make a new layer underneath, grow the selection by not 10 pixels, 2. Yeah, 2 is probably good. Fill that with black. Move triangle underneath. Actually, triangle doesn't need to be centered now that I think about it. It's more about something like this. I don't like it. It's kind of ugly, not gonna lie. It tells the message. Oops. Have to move both. How to make logos. I'm no designers. I don't know how to make logos. That means, Voice of Wind. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Cutie Squad. Hope you're doing well. Are you a designer perchance? Would you be able to give me some guidance? I'm kidding. If I don't know how to do icons, it's easy. I just have to search for it and look on Google how to do icons. So let's see. Icon library. How does Google do icons? Like an arrow with another thing next to the arrow. Would be nice. Thumbs up. Hi. Hope you're doing well, Voice of Wind. What would be a good example of icon so I can learn from it? Because I'm trying to make an icon, right? And it's ugly. What kind of icon I'm trying to make? An icon that conveys the message. Place A. Because I'm building a portal system. And I want to place the portal A. And I want to place portal B. But there's two icons I need. So now I'm looking through materials icon to see if there's a way I can improve my icon. Plus one camera. Okay, there's a letter here. So it's something with a letter. The letter would be at top corner, and the icon is left center. Maybe you can do something like that. Same thing here. Moon. The moon is left center, and the letter is on the top. Generally speaking, most icon built as a format we create with square pixel set. 512 by 512. Yeah. The one I'm creating is 250 by 250, which is a square aspect. I don't need it to be SVG because I don't need it to scale. There's only one size, so I'm not too worried about that one. But those are good, really good point. Making icons for something else, it would be important to use SVG so it scales infinitely as them become pixelated. So the only examples I saw so far are the two earlier with A in the middle. But it's supposed to be something on one side, the left side, and the letter on the right side, top right side. Transportation. Just a lot of phones into it. E 5G. Home. Brand. Font. Okay, okay. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I guess I wasn't too far. Concept. So if I just reduce this to be like half, and center it, but on this side, right? And then have the letter fill up this side, and align it so it's aesthetically nice, like this. Needs more. Sorry, needs more space. So maybe the arrow can go down a little. Or the letter can go smaller. Have I looked at Font Awesome's library act as a standard for most web-based application? I have not. Font Awesome's library. Okay. Give a look at it. Font Awesome icon library. Icons. Ooh, a lot of icons. Not sure where to start. See, view all icons and search arrow. Top right search for arrow, start with letter and numbers. Yeah, I see it. Thank you for sharing. Okay, so a lot of them are the sorting icon. Like these are sorting icons. I do like them. So let's like mode. Okay, let's see if there's anything else with just arrow, big, small. Yeah, this is for sorting. Oh, there's 9 pages. Arrows. Yeah, I think the sorting makes sense. So I guess like it's like taking the sorting and then removing half of it or a quarter of it. Yeah. Something like this. Tubo. Like this. And then just use this as a reference because I won't be using it as it is. I'm supposing this is like something you're supposed to buy or pay for. It's fine. Just as a reference. I'm not using it directly. And fill this square. Free to use? Alright, good to know. Wait. Did I not center? Just eyeballing it. Oh, this looks a little bit more centered. But it would have to be used called through an API. Yeah, I don't plan on using it directly. I just need a reference, and then I'm drawing my own thing. Just align this arrow because I don't know like the design principles. I'm not a designer. I don't have experience with designing stuff. So it's usually a bit rough when I try to use it to make icons and stuff. You're a software developer, you work with that stuff all day. Nice. What kind of project do you work on if you're okay with sharing? I'm more of a VR content. VR content creator. Right now I'm working on assets for a game called VR Chat. Something like this. Yeah, coding is usually what I do, so designing is not not my strength. Okay, let me add. Can I pixel select both of these? No. Let's merge them. Rasterize, and then merge, and then grow the selection. Fill it with black on another layer. Then I think for myself, just for myself, this feels a little bit far away between the two, so I kind of do want to put it a little bit closer. Like this. Contractor with Disney. Ooh, that's nice. Work on backend support for a contract project, theme parks. That's awesome. That's really awesome. So you start rendering stuff for Vue and Blender. So you have heard my name quite a bit? What do you mean you have heard my name quite a bit? Where did you hear my name? What is this? But that's pretty cool for Disney. Let's explore this. Fluffle, discard, and L's. Okay. That makes sense. Where do I want to put this? Into project, Unity projects, and queues. Makes sense. Those amazing folks, they are amazing indeed. They are amazing people all around. Okay, let's go to the partner assets. Then place a icon down. I guess I can just duplicate this. Call it B. Hide this one. And change the text by this to B. The shadow doesn't work anymore. So let's make a new shadow. Select, modify, expand 2 pixels, and fill with black. There we go. Now place B. Imagine seeing L here. What a coincidence! Right, place B icon. And now back into, no, not this one, back into Unity. Now we got 2 icons, turn them into sprites. So it has the background that is transparent. Max size, it's 256, so we need more. Rough mode, clamp is fine. Filter mode, I don't need filters because I'm not going to be scaling this. And now in the menu, we can play. Oh, it takes textures. Okay. Texture. Default. Alpha is transparency. Apply. There we go. And now we can add the place icon A, place icon B. Except, take a look now at what the menu looks like with the emulator. So in VR chat, we click on expressions and we got the place A and place B icon here. This is perfect. Placing A creates a portal. Oops. And then moving the avatar, then we can place B. And we can pick up A. And place A again. Pick up and place. There we go. So now we got nice icons for this. Do I need anything else? I think that's all, right? Yeah. Pretty simple one. 4 animations, one shader, three materials, one model, two icons, one texture. Remove the two, one prefab. Oh, another prefab. Oops, another prefab. Yeah, that's all that I need. Installation is drag this in, unpack, go to constraint A and constraint B, place the root of your avatar in, and then merge the thing. Okay, that should work. Sorry about that. Let me get some water. Alright. Now, like all good things, I need to create a a readme instruction for it. So readme, pat the slime. All right, for voice. So when I am patting the slime, pat, 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 pat. All the pats. Pat, 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 pat. Thank you for redeeming the pats. Not .txt, .mv. Yeah, that's fine. And I also need a license file. Cute. Glad you like it. MIT license. I don't care about what happens to it. Now I can make a new text license. Just paste this in. MIT license. Oops. MIT license. Year. It is the year 2022. And the right holder is me. And you gotta run off. Welcome, dog. Alright, sounds good. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for the help with the icons. Have a good one. Permission is hereby granted. Free of charge, 20% obtaining copy of this with a restriction, including the right to use, copy, modify, merge, publish, distribute, sub-license, and sell, and permit percent with software is finished to blah blah blah. Software is provided as blah 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 blah. Okay, that means I'm not. I don't care what happens to it. You can do whatever. It's a gift. Maybe I should do the one from GitHub. Yeah, I'll do the one from GitHub instead of writing my own. I'll update it at a later time. That's okay. But now for the README. How do I pull this out? I want a new window. A new window. Oop. Now I can do the README instruction on how to use it. Well, first what this is and how to use it. So first we add the title. There should be a preview thing. Preview. Review. Open preview. Split to the side. Beauty. Lip order. This is the title. Then the first description. Pretty simple VR chat FIFA asset to add to any avatar, a true portal system that allows other people to tell them. Hexing 100%. I agree. Hexing is a lot more convenient a lot of times. It's only when dealing with businesses where texting doesn't work, because they don't have a system for it, but they do have like a secretary or whatever that you can call. No, I think I can. This is too long of a one sentence description. Teleportation system for VR chat avatars. VR teleportation system prefab for VR chat avatars. For VR chat avatar SK 3.0. How do people say it? Let's see. For VR chat avatars 3.0, not 4.0. We're not in the future yet. Teleportation system prefab for VR chat avatar 3.0. This. So one part will be installation. And I guess I can start with this. First, download the latest release from GitHub. Insert link from GitHub. And then 2 is, let me make this a little bigger. 2, import the Unity package into your project. 3, from the folder Qt Teleporter, drag the prefab Qt Teleporter to the scene for unpack the prefab, right click on the prefab and unpack completely. Then 5, drag, place the QD tilde for the object at the root of the avatar. 6 under QD tilde border slash world anchor slash container constraint. Whoa, Wolfie! Why are you biting? You bit so hard I had to allow the biting through the chat. Automod was not happy about it. Constraint A, assign the assign the root of your avatar's armature to resources, and then same thing for B. Then click 0. You still don't see it in chat, but only in stream chat. Huh. Well, I did click allow. I don't know if that messes up or something. Oh, also that step is step 7. And then, let's see. Base installation. Oops, other signs. And then you need a booty emote so you can bite. I don't have enough emote slots. I have too many emotes for Twitch. That's why most of them are on Discord. Oh, although I could add them to 7TV. Do you use 7TV, Wolfie? Because even the what is it called? BTTV, it's already full because I only get 15. I could look into adding them to 7TV. Because that supports like 200 emotes or something. It's a lot of emotes. Okay. New anime, new effects layer. As new effects layer, and add to existing effects layer. Cat disco. Let's see. It's so simple, I'm almost tempted in just showing how to do it manually. because it's almost as harder to. No, I should use a merge. It's better. Because I was thinking, I was tempted to just explain how to add it manually and have everyone do it. But I think it's better if I show how to add into existing one. So adding it as a new FX layer. Um, on the avatar descriptor. On the VRC avatar descriptor. Assign to the playable layers no. On the VRC avatar descriptor under playable layers, assign the FX layer, assign to the FX layer, the animator controller, 3D teleporter FX. To on the VRC avatar descriptor under I see a typo. Under expressions, assign the QD for money to the money and QD for the parameters to the parameters. And that's it actually for a new avatar. Adding to an existing layer. Use an animator merger, like I need to go grab the one I recommend. First, download and install the latest version of Avatar AV3 Manager Unity package from VRC Labs to get the tool to merge animators. I can copy some from my audit. It's a bunch of copy paste. 2 from the VRC Lab menu, open tab with 3, drag avatar into the panel. 4, open the FX section and click the add animator to merge. 5, add the animator controller. The animator 3D teleporter FX to merge. To merge as new. I'll just copy this part. On the avatar is avatar. Just set avatar descriptor. I guess I'll keep it the same so it's consistent. And add with the report menu as a sub-item to existing menu. Seven on your existing expression parameters, copy acuity to reporter parameters over exactly the same way. Is that it? So download the VRC lab thing, merge, and then copy menu, copy parameters. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So that's how you install. I'll also add like a video here. Insert video. Here. Insert link. Insert link. I'll go grab those later. Let's see. Usage. From the expression menu, you can drop either portal A or portal B. Any other user than yourself can sit on either portal, and when they get out of the station, they will be at the location of the other portal. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Customization. If you want to customize the portal itself, portals themselves, you can place the model that is under. Now I need to get this. The models that are under QD importer / world anchor / container / constraint A / station A / model A with your own pretty model. Or the let's see. Simple asset with only 2 Boolean parameters, 2 animation layers, and I don't need to give more information than that. and 2 animation layers. Simple asset, easy to install, with only 2 boolean parameters and 2 animation layers. Free to modify as you see fit. If you have any questions, join Discord, insert link to ask me directly. That should be it, right? And then here I'll insert image of what it looks like. This is under MIT license. Oh yeah, more things. Only PC, only PC VR or desktop compatible, not Quest compatible. Because this will not work on Quest, unfortunately. Teleportation system profile for Avatar 3.0. Simple asset is installed with only 2 boolean parameters and 2 animation layers. Only for PC VR desktop. Only PC VR desktop compatible. And desktop compatible. Not Quest compatible. Image. Usage from the user menu. You can drop out portal AOB. Any other user than yourself can sit on either portal, and then when you get out of the station, there will be a location of the other portal. Installation, there's a video, and then base. Download the release, import the Unity package from the folder. Drag the prefab into the scene, right click unpack, place under the avatar. Under A, assign root, under B, assign root 0, and then add FX layer, or add existing FX layer. That will install the latest version of AV3 Manager. From VR Labs menu, open Avatar 3.0 Manager, drag Avatar into the panel, open FX section, click on Add Animator to merge. Add the animator 340 FX to merge as new. Under Avatars, descriptor, open existing menu and add menu as a sub menu item. On the Avatar descriptor, open your existing expression parameters and copy all the parameters from Qt. Over exactly the same way. You can replace the model. Yeah, that's it. That's all I need to explain to someone using this, installing it. I'll add the links later and upload and create a package with this. I don't need to record. Should I just record? Should I just record here? I could, right? In chat. Like, just do it here. I could. But it has also too much stuff on the screen. Up to me. Yeah. Because usually when I record stuff, I want it to be really short, so I cut up a bunch of spots and I stitch the video. But now there's like chat and there's like the title thing and there's music and stuff. Probably not ideal. And I'll make like mistakes. It'll take a couple takes to get it right. So probably not now. Like when I recorded the original video, I took like 3 takes before I got it right. I kept stumbling on my words. Yeah, probably want to record the demonstration in VR. Yeah, I'll do the recording another time. And with this, when this will be released very soon, everyone will be able to use the teleportation system. And I won't be the only one with a teleporter system on my avatar. What I can do though is add this to my main avatar right now because I don't have it on my main avatar. Huzzah! I only have it here in this not me avatar. So let's bring it to my actual avatar. Export package. Export. Oh, into projects, into package. Teleporter. Dash V 0.1. Yeah, 0.1. Yep, the license is MIT license, so basically it's provide as is. I'm not liable for whatever, and you can do whatever with it. You can even sell it to other people if you wanted to, without asking for permission. And yeah, for customization, it is part of the README. Like in the README at the end, I have like a paragraph saying if you want to customize, you can change the model. Basically, it's very simple. I'll go through the setup right now on my other project. None of those is the correct project. Where's that project? Too many unities. Maybe I'll close the camera. And it's very easy to set up. Takes like a few minutes to install. Come on, Unity, you can load. Oh, I also don't need Photoshop anymore. Oh, and this is project. It was a one-time thing. I don't need to save it. Alright, Unity is back up. And my avatar. Here. Turn this off. Okay, so I have my avatar. It doesn't have that system yet. How heavy? Oh, it shouldn't be too heavy. Although it, let's see. Because the avatar I'm using right now, it's not optimized already. So it's a bad avatar. Like I'm using it. The avatar by itself is very poor. But it adds 3 materials. Do you mean ninja? What do you mean, Nami? What do you mean ninja? It adds 3 materials. 4 mesh renderer. So it's not super optimized. But it's not heavy, it's a cylinder and gear. Oh, you just start this? This is a particle system. How are you doing, Nami? Hope you're doing well. This is the particle system from Unity. Its icon. Or am I a ninja? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Throw ninja stars. Alright, so I got my project here. Cutie tool, cutie. Yeah, I don't have. Well, I have cutie portals, but that's different. Good in the middle of an audit. An audit. An audit for what? And then I can import the teleporter here. Click import. Now we got a new folder. Open a new folder, drag the prefab in, click unpack completely, drag this to the root of the avatar, like this, and go into the avatar, go to the constraint A and constraint B. For each of them, drag in the root of the armature. So this is the armature. The root of this is the first one into the source, and then hit 0. And then click constraint B, drag the root of the armature in, and then hit 0. So that's all we need to do here. And then merge the animator. So bring my avatar in, FX layer, DBQDFX, add animator to merge. And then I just need to put the Qt to the port FX in and merge. And now I can close this. And then I need to open my parameters. Go over my audio in the place of work. Oh, interesting. Hope everything goes well. It sounds scary though. So we got this inspector. I'll lock it here. Not inspector. This parameter list, and then Qt parameter here. Just copy these two boolean over. Add. Remove this. Copy paste both of these new parameters, and then I can unlock this. And then next is the menu. Go to the menu, add a new submenu. There's lens, marker, opponents, join. Add a new one, Qt teleporter as a submenu, and then add the teleporter menu. Can assure you that you can assure me that you don't have a missile in your pocket. Okay, I trust you. You don't have a missile in your pocket. But what about under your desk? Dun dun dun! Okay, so added a menu, and that's it. That's all we need to do. Installation super easy. Now if I just click on my avatar, there's a new Qt teleporter menu under expression, teleporter menu. And then I can move around, place a portal, move around, place another portal. Oh no, already rotated weird. They're not flat on the ground. Uh-oh. Not your desk, it's full of chocolate bars. Okay. I'll have to fix the rotation. Let's see. I have a feeling it's because of this. This minus 98 degrees. Huh. It's because my armature is minus 90 degrees. Why is my armature minus 90 degrees? Well, so maybe I should unlock the rotation. Let's see. Let's see if that does it. Because it used to be 0 before. Let's test. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, but that's an easy fix. Back to the other project. I'll just change it proactively to not change the rotation. Then I can reset this. There we go. Rotation will be fixed. And then if I want to change the model, I just go into model, under model A, there's a gear here. And I can just change this gear for something else. Like if I don't want this, well, or I can just like change a color too. Like energy A, change the color. I want it like maybe I want it green or something. Green power if I want to. I can use a different model completely instead of a gear. I could decide to just use a cube because cube. It's cube. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Super easy to set up, super easy to use. Because cube, yes. Voice of Windows. Because cube. And it doesn't take much into the animator and stuff. It's only 2 layers. And it takes only 2 Boolean parameters, which is almost nothing. 2 out of 256. I made it so much simpler. I removed the moving crystals because that required like fizz bones and stuff. And most people won't need that. Yeah, with this we got teleporter system almost ready to be released. I just need to record myself and then plug all the links into the README and upload all of that into GitHub and then release it. And as as unfortunate as it is with all the VRC drama, the VRC hashtag on Twitter is trending. So I can just plug this into the sea of tweets and maybe people will find it. I just need to make a good recording so that people would see and think, oh, this is nice. Instead of using mods to teleport, we can use this asset to teleport. Maybe. I don't know. I'll grab some water. So, things for myself to do so that I don't forget. I need to record myself installing the thing. Make it a paid DLC? No. not for something this simple. Nami is just trying to find a way to make money. No, not with this. Maybe eventually if I make something more complicated, I could think about making it a like a, I don't know, Patreon thing, maybe. But for now, nah, just free. Let's see. So record myself sitting up and using it for an example, making good pictures, updating the README, adding the license file, uploading to GitHub, release that. Also test the camera pathing system that I updated earlier today. See if it works. And then yeah, if that works, I need to start documenting it, making icons for it and stuff. Make a resource heavy version free and fully optimized. Wow, Nami with the evil schemes. Make a laggy version that works but is laggy, and then make a super optimized version for everyone to for like as a paid version. Now, I don't think the interpretation I would make it something that's paid. The camera system, on the other hand, maybe I would make it free first, like a free version, and then if I add like complex features to it, I would make it paid. Just business. Yeah, I'm not trying to make business here. Also, I like that emote, that I'm fine emote from Pope. It's so good. I'm pretty happy with the progress. I worked on 2 projects today instead of just 1. There's just too many projects. I always keep having more projects, and there's new projects I want to do now. Like another project I want to do is a Beat Saber overlay, like an alternative Beat Saber overlay to the ones that exist. Because I made one before, but it broke with all the updates, and I never went back to update it. So I want to redo it again. Updated. I also want to keep working on this slime. Add more features. Now all I can do is eat cookies. I can, but that's it. I wanted to do more stuff. I also want to look into some different new projects I discovered I could do with VR chat. Too many projects, not enough time. If only I didn't have to work. My full-time job is stopping me from doing all those projects. I need to focus my energy. There's also like a mod I want to do for VR chat. Not VR chat, a mod for Beat Saber that I want to do for a long time now. But now that I'm thinking of going back into Beat Saber, I want to do the mod. I want to build it, but not yet. Soon, eventually. Let's see. I think I'm going to be ending here. Good place to end. 2 hours in. Made a lot of progress. Not sure what to do next, so I'm just rambling. Yeah. Let's wrap up here. Find someone to raid. Thank you for hanging out again today. Don't go yet, because I'm going to be looking for someone to raid. But thank you to L and Jesu for the resub, and also Jesu for gifting us up to Wolfie, and I thank you to Voice of Win for following and joining the Cutie Squad. I think I know exactly who to raid, actually. Yeah, I know exactly who to raid. So let's do that. But before I go, as a reminder to anyone that is new around or anyone lurking, if you want to stay up to date with all of my projects and be able to download them, follow either my Twitter or join my Discord. That's where I communicate all of my stuff. My next stream will be on Thursday. Not sure if I will be still working on stuff or I'll be playing some games. I'll let you know on Discord and Twitter. Yeah. Although one thing, I'm planning a VK stream soon. More details to come. Stay tuned for that. Also join my Discord or follow Twitter to not miss any of that. It will be a collab with a bunch of people, including L and Keel, like you know, and Jacko. That'll be a lot of fun. Yeah, that will be it for today. Thank you everyone for joining. We will be rating American Jedi. It is doing a 12-hour special stream. I think it's for celebrating a milestone with a number of followers on his stream. A good friend, always fun to hang out, and it's pretty chill. And I might have seen him on my channel before. He has joined to play Fall Guys and Multiverses in the past. So, good person to hang out with. As we raid, let's use the raid message. This is a raid from the QT squad. And I shall see you all very soon, hopefully. Thank you all for hanging out again. Have a good one. Bye bye.